Hi everyone, my name is David French. I'm a member of the adoption engineering team at Google Cloud, and today I'm going to show you how to contribute to the Google SecOps Community Rules project on GitHub. This project contains a collection of rules that can be used with the detection engine in Google SecOps and demonstrate the capabilities of the RL language. They provide a starting point and inspiration for SecOps users who want to build custom detections to defend their organization. These rules are distinct from curated detections that are developed by the Google Cloud Threat Intelligence team, and those detections are designed to generate alerts that are highly actionable. As defensive practitioners, we know that every organization's environment is different, which means there's not a one-size-fits-all solution to detection content. Our recommendation before enabling any of the rules in this project is to utilize the test rule feature within SecOps and customize the rules to fit them to your environment before you enable them to generate detections or alerts. In this GitHub repository, you'll find that the README file documents the purpose and structure of the project. You can find detailed information on how to contribute to the project in this contribution guidelines document. If you're interested in contributing new rules or updating existing ones, you'll first need to sign Google's contributor license agreement. We also have a style guide that establishes the baselines of quality and readability for YARA-L rules in this project. And then we've documented some steps to help you open issues and create pull requests in this project to help get your contributions accepted. Now let's walk through an example of how to contribute a new rule to this project. So first, I'm going to create a new issue using one of these issue templates. I'm going to click on the new rule template. And then I'm going to fill out the information for my new rule in these various fields here that are mapped out. In the title of the issue, I'm going to enter the name for my new rule. In the description field, I'm going to describe the behavior that the rule is designed to detect. Under log types, I'm going to specify the log types that this rule is compatible with. In this case, it's GitHub. And then in the YARA-L rule field, I'm going to enter the detection logic for my new rule. So I'm just going to grab that from my SecOps instance here and paste that into this field. In the references field, I include any links to relevant vendor documentation or threat research. And finally, in the test data field, I'm going to paste some raw log events that can be used to trigger my rule. Now I'm ready to create my new issue. Okay, now we have a GitHub issue for my new rule. We can now create a pull request to stage my proposed changes. Okay, to open a new pull request, we're going to go back to the main page of the project, and I'm just going to press the period key on my keyboard to open GitHub's web IDE. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create a new branch in the project, and this is where I'm going to stage my new rule. And we're going to switch over to that new branch. And we can see we're on the new branch down here in GitHub's web IDE. So I'm going to go to the rules directory, community directory, and we're going to create my new rule under this GitHub directory. So I'm going to create a new file for my rule. And we're going to name the file with my rule name followed by the .yarl extension. And we're going to paste in the content of my YARA-L rule. And then we're going to commit this change to my new branch. Now we're going to go back over to GitHub's UI. We're going to go to the pull request tab. We're going to create a new pull request. We're going to give the pull request a descriptive title. We're going to link this pull request to the issue we opened a moment ago. Then I'm going to write a brief summary of my proposed changes. And we don't have any supporting documentation for this example. And then we're going to click create to create the new pull request. Now that our new pull request is opened, we can expect a review from a member of the Google Cloud Security team within a few days. Thanks for your interest in contributing to this project. I'll leave you with a couple of useful links to take away. Here's a link to the community rules project on GitHub that we just worked on, and you can engage with a community of SecOps users on the Google Cloud Community website. Thank you.